Meaning of heir apparent.
Heir apparent.
Heir apparent.
Heir apparent.
Heir apparent. The term heir apparent refers to the person who is next in line to inherit a title, position, or property from the current holder. This individual is considered to be the most likely successor and is typically a family member, such as a son or daughter. The use of the term heir apparent implies that there are no other individuals ahead of them in the succession line and that they are the clear choice to assume the role. Ultimately, the heir apparent's claim to the title or position will only become official upon the death or abdication of the current holder.